Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. BJP's house tax waiver for houses in Panchayat area remains mere announcement. Notification wasn't issued. Budget speech wasn't redacted. Defence Expo to be held in Betul, Goa. Record 843 companies registered from 44 countries. Congress goes offensive. Luisant SCM to arrest him. Lone and cleanest Craig Mandavi turns into gutter. CCP witnesses numerous multi-crore projects all fail to restore back lost glory of Santines Creek. Multi-crore fraud in Goa. Green Ray International dupes 1,500 Goans of 15 crore rupees. Police arrest manager, releases on bail. And Anurag Mamal needs just one norm to become Goa's first Grandmaster Dempo ambassador, close to realizing his dreams. Now the news in detail. BJP's house tax waiver promise for houses in Panchayat areas remained merely an announcement. People stopped paying house tax after this announcement by then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Panchayats were the major sufferers. Government never issued any notification nor did redact the budget speech. Now Panchayats have started dispatching demand notices asking residents to pay house tax. A special report.
Annual budget of 2012-2013. Then Finance Minister Manohar Parrikar declared to waive off house tax in Panchayat areas. But such a notification was never issued. People stopped paying house tax as soon as the announcement was made. After 2 years, people started paying house tax once they realized that the announcement will not be fulfilled. Panchayat suffered on revenue front when people stopped paying house tax for 2 years. Have a look at the house tax collection trends in Old Goa and Talegaon Panchayats. Old Goa Panchayat collected 8.9 lakhs while Talegaon Panchayat collected 73 lakhs in 2010-2011. Old Goa Panchayat collected 9 lakhs in 2011 while Talegaon Panchayat collected 80 lakhs. Old Goa Panchayat collected 9 lakhs in 2012-2013 while Talegaon Panchayat collected 53 lakhs. Old Goa Panchayat collected 13 lakhs in 2013-2014 while Talegaon Panchayat collected 80 lakhs. Old Goa Panchayat collected 14 lakhs 97,000 while Talegaon Panchayat collected 1 crore in 2014-2015. House tax revenue came down in 2012-2013 after Parrikar's announcement. When people realized it wouldn't happen, the house tax revenue started ascending. Few panchayats have snapped demand notice to people who haven't paid house tax for last 3 years. Look at the notice snapped by Talegaon Panchayat to people. Most of the people haven't paid their house tax for the last 3 years from 2012-2013. Panchayat had earlier opposed the waiver on house tax. In the last 4 years, Cabinet has seen 3 Panchayat ministers. First, it was Parsekar, followed by Dayanand Manrekar and now Rajendra Arlekar.
ज्या वेळार मनोहर पर्रीकर हे मुख्यमंत्री असले त्यावेळेस तांच्यांनी अनाउन्स केल्लें खरें पण तातूंत कांय मागीर अनेक अडचणी लक्षांत येवपाक लागल्यो बऱ्योच कांय अडचणी तातूंतली मुख्य अडचण आसली ती एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव अडचण भितर आनी मागीर ताचें एग्जिक्युशन करतानाय अडचण येतले अशें जेन्ना लक्षांत आयलें तेन्ना तें थांबोवप थोडे दीस अशें ठरयलें ताज्या उपरांतय मागीर तें परत तें इम्प्लिमेंट करप असो कांय निर्णय मागीर जावंक ना.
Now government plans to impose infrastructure tax. Whether this tax is replacement for house tax or it will be an addition to it isn't decided yet. Panchayat house tax has become a matter of confusion. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Shirish Kukarkar for Prudent.
The proposed Defence Expo at Betul already has record of 843 companies registered from across 44 countries to showcase their arms, ammunition and artillery. Work on setting up of a makeshift venue at Goa will commence from February 25th and will be completed. Facilities will be handed over to the exhibitors by March 20th. On the other side, Congress has decided to up the tempo of opposition to Expo. Luizen has dared CM to arrest him following his CM's threat of jailing people who oppose the event.
जागतिक विक्रम आसा हो आणि त्यामुळे इट इज टू बी वेलकम्ड सगळी निर्धोकपणे सगळी गजाल जातली हे आमी पळयतले ते कितले पयलीं काम सुरू करचे ते करचे पडटले ते पळय म्हणजे सुरू करप आणि मागीर डिसमेंटल करपाक सुद्दां म्हणजे उबें करपाक जर म्हयनो लागलो डिसमेंटल करपाक 5-6 दीस लागतले.
The 4-day event is taking place outside the national capital for the first time, with the defence sector emerging as a cornerstone for the Make in India initiative. The showcase industry event of the Ministry of Defence, Defence Expo, is set for record participation this year. The participation has hit a new high against the 600-odd companies that registered for the show last year. With Goa set as the new venue for the show, several live demonstration drills have been finalized, something that could never be done at the earlier venue at Pragati Maidan in Delhi. Bharat Forge is set to exhibit its artillery gun at the show. DRDO too has dispatched its Dhanush towed gun. Other live drills being planned are for bridge link system and tracked vehicles like tanks and armored personnel carriers. Among the companies that have already registered, the largest delegation is from India, 402, followed by the US with 87 defense firms. Russia at 67 comes third, while delegations from other major manufacturing nations like Germany with 37, Israel 35 and France with 33 followed. Defence Expo is scheduled at Betul at the March end. Setting up a makeshift venue at Betul is to commence on February 25th, and the completed facilities are to be handed over to the exhibitors by March 20th, a week before the show commences. The planning and preparations in Delhi are at final stage, while the locals backed the Congress party in opposition are up in arms against the showcase event of the Defence Ministry.
Luizen Falero has dared CM to arrest him and protesters as per the threat issued by the Chief Minister to the Betul Defence Expo opponents.
की ओ सरकार जो लोकशाही पद्धत प्रमाणे सत्तेर आयिल्लो आहा ओ सरकार आज सांगता आनी डिफेन्स एक्सपोचेर आड गेलो जाल्यार आपूण हे लोकांचेर FIR घालतलो आनी तांकां अरेस्ट करतलो. आमी एक कंडेम करपाक सोदता आणि एक कंडेम आमी केला. पयर जेन्ना आमची मिटींग जाली अरेस्ट करपाक जाय, वी आर रेडी टू गेट अरेस्टेड. लेट देम अरेस्ट ऑल ऑफ अस. लेट देम अरेस्ट होल विलेज. Let them arrest whoever they want. To have a public demonstration on 28th evening at 3:30.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The lone and cleanest creek of Mandavi running through capital city has turned into a gutter in 50 years. The upgraded Panji municipality to a city corporation, which witnessed numerous multi-crore projects, saw councillors, MLAs, ministers and even chief minister, but nobody could restore back the lost glory of Sant Inez Creek. Smart city later, first clean up the Sant Inez Nalla. This is what the Panjikas are now demanding. Prudence Battle Capital series continues.
One can get a clear idea of what Panji is going through by just having a glance at this Sant Inez Nalla. Decades back, this was a creek with clean water flowing through. Later it turned into Nalla, and now it's just a dirty, stinky and ugly gutter. Panji municipality to corporation saw several chairpersons and mayors. The councillors from Babush panel, Congress panel and the BJP panel too all this years. Many made several promises to renovate and beautify the Nalla. Several big schemes were launched, all just on paper. All drained down the gutters in the Nalla.
या नाल्याचे सौंदर्यीकरण आनी ह्या नाल्याचे व्हडले कितें तरी आजूबाजू अशे बोटी सोडपाचे आनी कितें व्हडले व्हडले करपाचे आश्वासनां गेली 10 वर्सां जे लोकांनी राज्य केले हाचेर पणजी राजधानीचेर मागीर तो हो गट आसूं नाल्यार तो गट हांव कोणाचें नांव घेना लोकांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा.
सांत इनेज क्रीक एवरी मॅनिफेस्टो ते आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटी फेलोज सांत इनेज क्रीक वील बी डून सांत मागीर काँग्रेस तेंच म्हणटा BJP तेंच म्हणटा बाबूश तेंच म्हणटा.
Panjikars were shown a dream of rejuvenating this ugly nalla into a creek and introducing boating facilities too. The dream remained an unfulfilled promise.
हांगा हागणे मुतणे सगळे हांगा उदक पिवलो बाटली उडय कितले हे पळय कचरो कोण साफ करतलो कित्याक म्युनिसिपालिटी जाय ती आमी नालो आसा ते हे करतले आमचे व्हडले व्हडले करतले आनी मागीर थंय बोटी आसतल्यो आनी कितले स्वप्नरंजन करतात तुमी लोक बाबडे फटवतात.
कितें मेळपाचें आसलेलें अंडर वेबकोर्स आय नो इट पर्सनली बिकॉज सगळे प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट आमचे कडेन आहा. आमी कितें करतात म्युनिसिपालिटीक दिता ते म्युनिसिपालिटी कितें करता दे वर सपोज टू सेंड इट टू दिल्ली तुमच्या जुनमांचे कांयच पयशे मेळना कांयच मेळोंक ना कित्याक आमचो प्रोजेक्ट थिंगा दिल्ली पावंकूच ना.
Now new MLA has come out with a new plan, fencing the Nalla.
संपूर्ण जी सांतिनेज क्रीक आसा ताजे दोनूय सायडीन बॅरिकेड घालपाचे जे जागा आमकां अवेलेबल आसा त्या जाग्यार ताजे बँक्स वील बी प्रोटेक्टेड. ब्रिज ऑन DB रोड ज्या जाग्यार सांतिनेज क्रीक मांडवी न्हंयक मेळटा फक्त तो नवो ब्रिज बांदपाचें टेंडर ऑलरेडी इज फ्लोटेड आनी म्हाका दिसता टेंडर इलेक्शन जातकीर अवॉर्डूय जातलें.
Miramar Donapal Highway is getting ready. Casinos got a new jetty. Parking Plaza is also set for opening. IFFI has settled down in Panji. New Market Complex is standing tall. Magnanimous Third Mandavi Bridge has begun on wharf foot level. But in the same developing decade and a half, the Santinez Nalla awaits a Muhurat for renovation. CCP poll is scheduled on 6th March. Former councillors, candidates, panel leaders, everyone is engrossed in campaign. This time the message is clear. Let any panel win the CCP. They have no escape from the Santinez Nalla. And so for Panji unless it is cleaned. Mahesh Ghadi and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Greenray International has cheated 1,500 Goans of 15 crore rupees. Company was operating from OSHA complex at Madgaon. Police arrested manager Bhagwan Dafre and later released him on bail. Investors and agents of company had gathered outside the office. They have sought government's intervention to crack down the company and in getting their invested money back.
जाणटी 60 वर्सां 70 वर्सां पासून वयले लोक आहा जाणटी पयशे भरताले न्हू आनी ते हे पिरायेर तेंगेले पयशे म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता व्हडली कंपनी व्हडली चूक आनी सरकारान हेजेर कितें करचें जाणटी चडशी जाणटी आहाय तेंगेले पयशे दिवपाक 4,80,000
आतां जे अबाउट 1,500 people have invested the money and we have been duped for about more than 15 crores.
ह्या 4 वर्सां ते कंपनीन ग्रीनरे इंटरनॅशनल कंपनीन काम करतालो आनी ताणें आमकां प्रॉमीस करून भागवंत डापलेन सेल्स मॅनेजर आसलो ताणें प्रॉमीस करून आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलें आयज दिता फाल्यां दिता ऑफिस उक्तें आसतना पासून ताणें ऑफिसांतलो पयसो आसतालो आउट ऑफ स्टेशन गेला म्हूण सांगतालो आनी कित्याक गेला काय म्हणल्यार म्हणटालो आमचे पयशे हाडूंक गेला म्हणटालो.
कलेक्शन 15 lakhs आहे तेणे मगे कंपनी बंद जाल्या पासून म्हाका कलेक्शन गेलें सांगून की तुगे पयशे मेळटले म्हण पूण मॅच्युरिटी जाता तेन्ना म्हण लागलो की ते कंपनी प्रॉब्लेम आहा मातशें ते सॉल्व जातले सगळ्यांना पयशे दिता म्हण.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.